Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're going straight to the Play Store now. Open the Play Store app or load Play. Google, com on a browser, search the exact app name or paste its package name if you have it. Once you see the App Store page and the developer listed, pause to confirm it's the correct listing. Make sure you can view the app details and the three-dot menu or share icon. Those are the controls you need next. Proceed only when the app page is fully loaded. Now you copy the actual link. On mobile, tap the three-dot menu or the share icon and choose Copy Link. That puts the Play Store URL on your clipboard. Once done, make sure to test paste it into a note to verify. On desktop, select the address bar and copy the full URL. Confirm it contains details. ID equals followed by the package name. If the UI doesn't show copy, use share then copy. Or inspect the page to finish by pasting the link where you need it, message, email, or a QR code generator, and then test it on another device to ensure it opens the intended Play Store listing. If it opens a different app or an error appears, make sure the package ID in the URL matches the app. One key troubleshooting tip: if the Play Store page won't load, update the Play Store app or clear its cache and storage, then retry. This resolves most link or loading inconsistencies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.